Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox avatar not loading issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's dive into it. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your Roblox app. Once you do it, this is how it's gonna look like. And when you go to avatar section, your avatar should appear right over there. So in case you have not been able to simply have your avatar appear, so first thing first, you can regenerate, right? And next thing is you can simply go ahead, go back, and sometimes that can happen because it's not working properly. So you're gonna go to App Store and make sure if your app needs an update or not. If it needs an update, that could be the reason why it's lagging that way. Search in Roblox and update your app if it's needed one. It does not need for me, and we are good to go. If that's also not the case, check out your connection as well. That could be the reason as well. And if that's also not the case, simply go ahead, go to the more section and log out from it. Relog in, your avatar should be there. If it's not, you can recreate another one. And otherwise, you can also delete and remove your app, and delete and reinstall the app. And that's how also, once you've re-signed in yourself, which is simply refreshing, you should be able to regenerate them right over there. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.